The fact that it's a bowl that's a baker.
Smart stuff.
Smart stuff.
Okay, this is the lid it. And you're wondering, what in the world is a lid it? Well, it's kind of something that Temp-tations created, which is kind of cool. This, though, is going to be your set of 3, inspired by the original lid it, but made a little deeper, so it gives you a lot more versatility. They're your serving trays. They can function as your lids on some of your bowls and your bakers, but also they're just a beautiful piece, a platter that you feel like you can never have enough of them. Well, here they are, $32.96. But this is a set like this that we're not getting back in. And Lisa even said the circle ones are the ones she uses the most in her home. It's K49034. So a great opportunity to pick up on that retiring style price, which makes it a clearance price.
Exactly.
So lid it. How did that happen?
Yeah, so this started out as a lid to a baker, and then we made it deep dish, and you love it so much that you wanted just lid it. What is a lid it? It's a cutting board. It's a serving tray. It is your cookie sheet. It is now going to be the platter for your ham. It's your dinner plate. It's everything you need it to be.
Yeah, this
You're
is
getting, I'm sorry, I have to actually look. You're getting an 8, a 10, and a 12-inch that all nest together. Oven safe to 500 degrees, microwave, refrigerator, freezer safe. I'm showing you the blue floral lace. Because we're retiring, I know we want to quickly show the colors.
Yeah, let's go
We're
through.
not bringing this back.
Here's your confetti.
Yep.
Light blue. Here is then your light blue in the old world.
Your old, it's just called blue in old world.
Okay, thank you. Here's your cranberry.
Yes.
Cranberry in the old world. Floral lace in red. Old world in red. Then we go eggplant, old world, eggplant, floral lace.
Love.
Green story, super fresh. Here's your old world, and then your green floral lace.
Yes.
Let's see if I remember.
All right, this is a test.
Chocolate.
Very good.
And then brown.
Wow. A+.
Spice and spice.
Oh,
here's your
are you
old
sure?
world. And then here's your floral lace. This is what my mom has in her kitchen.
Now I'm going to get you.
This one's going to get, well, here's your black in your floral lace.
Yes.
Here's your black in your old world. Summer.
Yes, floral lace summer.
Summer fetty.
Ocean fetty.
Ocean fetty. There's no summer
Look at this
fetty.
summer, though. But
It's so
a cute name.
But look, it's little shells.
Isn't that
If you have
adorable?
like a coastal theme, summer or ocean fetty, super fun. But really, the rubber hits the road when you see how you use these in your kitchen.
Yes.
Because if you feel like when you're entertaining, you always like, I just need one more serving platter.
Yeah.
And even look at this, like we bake, this is like a deep dish pizza. You use it as a serving platter. Lisa's pulling these out of the oven. What did you make for us?
Oh, just a little tart.
For our Galentine?
Yeah, for our Galentine. Think about how many times in a day you reach for a serving piece.
Yeah.
You want something that will just hold what you baked. I want you to change your thinking.
Okay.
Now you can bake in it and serve in that same piece. And that's what Temp-tations is all about. It's about money saving, space saving, time saving, and beauty. So we did a beautiful tart. It wasn't that hard to do.
And then you could even use it to display. Listen, you could buy the cupcakes at the grocery store.
And that's what we did, very honestly.
Take them out of the plastic.
Yes.
Put them on your lid it. Now it looks beautiful.
Isn't this
and then
gorgeous?
you also have cookies. You get all 3 of these sizes that you just saw. So you could do a full like dessert table.
Yes.
And that would be beautiful. I love what you have happening over here. Again, all these 3 sizes that you're seeing in each color, you get all 3.
Look at this, deep dish pizza. We kind of have been talking a lot about pizza, right?
Pizza's one of my favorite foods.
But
I think
honestly,
it's a food group.
It is. Wait, it isn't?
Oh, look.
Look at that. Look how amazing that is. That literally, I can lift a pizza right out of the bottom. You can now do
look
things.
how nice and thick that pizza is.
So I love the fact that you do a hot.
Yeah.
You can do a cold right here. So my
cool.
my charcuterie board, perfect. Because sometimes you're not serving 20 people. Sometimes you're just serving 4.
Yeah.
Or single serving for me. And then over here we do like for the kids, right?
Right.
This is what your kids will remember. Like, Mommy, remember that pretty plate you brought my mozzarella sticks out on?
Yes.
Where is that? They do remember those things.
Well, because it feels special.
Sure.
It's thoughtful. It's intentional. I notice even if I'm just making a nice dinner for me and my husband, maybe the kids, you know, eat something a little bit earlier in the night, and then we have something, we light the fire, and by light, I mean like turn on the gas switch for the gas fireplace, and have some wine and candles. But when I use nicer serving piece, my husband usually sits down and goes, oh, well, this is nice.
Yes.
And you kind of have that moment where you get to decompress a little bit and stop and take a breath.
Yes.
And there's this sense of gratitude. And when we start to have those moments when it's around the table sharing a good meal, you feel the difference in the heartbeat of your family. And that's what Temp-tations is all about. This is a set of 3 of your Lit It. So here's your large, your medium, and your small.
Yeah.
Now I love this. It's kind of like barbecue night.
Well, because we're retiring this, we want to give you all the ideas. Because think of summertime when you're turning the ovens off and you're turning your grill on. What are you putting your burgers, your hot dogs, your chicken, your fish on? Perfect. You get a 12, a 10, and an 8-inch. I love them. They're deep enough that even it almost becomes a bowl for you.
Yeah, good point. We're going to go through quickly, but we have floral lace and old world in both colors. So right here's your blue in both options. Here's your light blue and your confetti. Red, Old World Floral Lace, Cranberry, Old World Floral Lace. Here's your eggplant in both choices. Your green, Spice. Here is going to be your chocolate, and then your brown in your Old World. Then we have Summer Fetty, Ocean Fetty, Summer. Black and black in your Old World. This is your Floral Lace. $32.96. You get both. Are you back?
Yes.
Okay, big day.